So my name is Niara Alexis, and today I'm gonna be showing you an everyday fall makeup look. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. We have our base down. I am gonna be going in with some lip and cheek because I have a cream bronzer on today and I want to put a cream blush on with it. So I think I'm gonna use, what shade is this? The sticker off of the back of mine came off. It's gonna come to me. It's not coming to me, but it should be popping up on the screen. It's not like a bright pink, but it's not, you know, a dark like mauve shade or anything just yet. Look at that brightness, just brighten up my face. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys like the least to the most and how you can like add to like if you want a little bit more of a look, or you can like pare back if you don't like to wear that much. So I'm gonna start with the shade the eyeshadow duo Dune. This is like my favorite out of all of them because this brown, it's a matte brown but it has shimmer in it. So I'm gonna just dip into Dune a little bit with a big fluffy brush like this, and I just always when in doubt, start in like your outer corner and work your way in. So I start out here and then I kind of just bring it into my crease. Bring it as far out as you like. If you want it all the way up to your brow bone, by all means. I don't. I usually just stop at my crease. I might blend it up a little bit higher just to make sure the color is like well dispersed and there's no harsh lines. And this could be it. This could be your look if you wanted to. I've done this many a days. Just a little something in the crease and an eyeliner, a mascara, or just a mascara, and I'm out the door. I'm gonna take the matte shade in Sunset. So this is for, you know, our girl. She's like the next step up. She like has a little bit more time to do a little bit more, or she just wants to do a little bit more. Right above like where you place that darker shade, you're just gonna go in with the matte shade from Sunset and get that in your crease as well. We're still using the same brush. I find it just helps everything blend out, and I'm just gonna kind of blend it out just to make sure we don't have any harsh lines. Our crease still looks good. So boom, you got a little bit more color in there, a little bit more definition. You could again leave it like this if you want. Sweep that shade all over your lid. I kind of just kept it right here, but if you want to sweep it all over your lid, throw on a mascara, an eyeliner, whatever you want, and go. Okay, I'm giving you all the details today. So on to like our main attraction here. This is Nectar. So what I like to do when I want to like add a little bit of something, I like to add this yellow shade out here outside of like the brown that I did, and that's just to kind of like make sure that that's blending, also just like brighten up this area a little bit. It's very subtle, but sometimes it's really necessary if you're using like a super dark color. Like if I used a lot of that brown in Dune, I would definitely need that to like blend that out. But I feel like it just looks good on all skin tones. If you have fair skin tone, that shade will probably show up on you a bit more. Now I'm just gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna be taking the shimmer shade in the Nectar Duo. And what I like to do is get a little bit of a setting spray and spray my brush with the eyeshadow on there. And it gives me a little bit more of a gilded effect. So I'm gonna brush it up. So we're not doing any type of cut, crease, or anything. This is like an everyday look, okay? Promise you. And then I'm gonna take my fluffy brush I was using before, and I'm just gonna make sure everything is blending. You're just always gonna be going back to that fluffy brush. All right, so my eyes are done. I've added on a bit of a lash. Again, I showed you guys a couple of ways you can take it from like very pulled back to very full on if you want it to. And then I'm gonna use, I put on a little bit of lip liner, so I'm gonna use the lip and cheek tint in, what shade is this? I think this is my Dusty Rose. Yes, it is. This is my favorite out of all of them because I feel like it's just so universal and just such a nice like nude lip color for all skin tones. I feel like the fairest or the deepest of skin tones can get with this lip color. And I just like to like use it to blend it in my lip liner. And it's not very glossy, which I can get with, but it does still feel very moisturizing to your lips. So you can leave it as is. You can kind of like matte it out, maybe put like a little bit of a setting powder on top of it. And this is our finished look. So you could definitely like tone this look back if like, you know, you are more of like a minimal makeup person. You could definitely add more, as much more as you want. That's it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this. Again, my name is Niara Alexis. You can find me on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all the socials by that handle. And hopefully I will see you guys next time.